Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we are going to be trying on, it's a try on all, of course, and I'm going to be showing you multiple ways how you can really restyle these two pieces. It is called silk lounge set, and these products are from one of our own very Canada-based YouTuber. She's a Nigerian, but she's based in Canada, and she has her own business going on. Her name is Niella. Her business name is Niella Creation, which I am going to be putting on the screen. Before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do let me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. On this channel, we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. So we're going to go ahead and quickly do the unboxing. I also have a discount code that I'm going to be putting on the screen. Also, I'll put it in the description box so we all can just go ahead and support our sister. She's a Nigerian one. The reason why you should support her, she's a Nigerian. If you're a Nigerian, if you're watching this video, you know what I'm talking about. We need to support each other. Also, she's based in Canada. And to top it all, this is a one-man business. She's running her own company. So we need to support each other, uplift each other. You know the sayings that says we rise by lifting each other. After I opened the box, the first thing I brought out that I saw is a plastic bag. That plastic bag, I'm just assuming those are for people that shop around Canada. Maybe that's what she normally used to ship it to them. On that bag, you see all those beautiful information about her social media and what she's all about. Like you all can see, it's Niella Creation, African prints, ready to wear fashion. She's into head bonnets, headbands, head wraps, fashion accessories, and more. And you're going to see that she has her social network also on the bag, which I think is amazing. So we have her email on it, also the websites. Our slogan is be simple and stylish, be you. You don't want to be nobody else, you want to be you. I like that. And I move on, I open the box. I saw two things inside. The lounge sets, which is the first thing I presented. So this beautiful handmade handbag. The handbag is called Oseni Afrocentric Ashoke bag, and it is fully lined with soft velvet material inside of it. It has an inner pocket which you can just put, you can put your business card or your debit card or credit card inside of it. It has an adjustable and detachable straps so that it can be easier for you to carry on wherever you want to go, and it's very easy to style. You can use it to style in so many outfits depending on the occasion. What you're going for will determine how you're going to carry this bag. You can carry it as just like you can carry it looking like a clutch with a small handle that came with it. Also, if you want to wear it like a crossbody, you can just use the detachable and adjustable strap that came with it. So we're going to move on to the two sets, silk lounge set. This is in color black. They do have it in purple, which purple color. They only mix it with a lighter purple and another shade of purple, which I'll put on the screen for you all to see what I am talking about. So let's talk about the pants. That's the first thing I brought out from the bag. The pants has an elastic band on the waist, and it has two functional pockets by the side. This outfit, when she was making it, I guess she has the tall girls in her mind. So if you're I'm 5'5.5". I'm not up to 5'6", okay, but if you're above that, I believe you'll be able to fit into this. So we are going to see how I'm going to rock it, because when I brought it out of the bag, I was like, oh wow, it's so long, but we will make it work. So the bottom line, what I'm trying to tell you is, if you're taller than me, this will really work perfectly for you. If you're about the same size with me, yes, it's going to work for you. But if you're lower than my height, it might probably not fit, but you can make it work. Taking it to a stylist or seamstress or fashion designer, whatever term that you want to go with, you can always take it to them to help you to, make it your size. All right, then moving on to the top. The top is a button down shirt. It has a ball long sleeve. The sleeves look like a bell bell sleeve. Yes, that's what I would call it. So ladies, this is the outfit. It's very comfortable, very comfortable. This is the, you see, this is what I mean by the boss sleeve, I mean bell sleeve. This is bell sleeve. See, I'm wearing size US size 4, which is in UK is size 8. So they have it in various sizes, which I'll put on the screen for you ladies to see. And this is how everything is looking. This is how long the pant is. It's not bad at all, and the material is silk, breathable as well. I love the fit. Look at it. It's not tight, it's not loose, it's very comfortable, and the 2 pockets on the side are very functional, like I mentioned before. And this is how the back is looking. And the bonus about this is black, which means you can always style this top with something else, with a jeans, with a skirt. I'm going to show you different ways I'm going to style it. I'm not going to be mentioning what I'm pairing it with, because this is all about Niellas creation. So I'm not going to be running other brands inside another brand, if you all get my point. And I'm going to style the pants as well with something else that you're going to see. So when you buy things like that, you're going to get value for your money, because you can always restyle them in so many ways. That is my mission, my vision on this channel, to always make sure you look good without breaking the bank. All right ladies, this is it. This is it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on my shoes and pair it with the bag that she sent with this, and we are gonna see how it's gonna look all put together. So this is it. When you carry it like a crossbody, it's really beautiful. I like it. It really goes with this outfit, because the purple gives me a kind of a pop of color in all my outfit, because I'm wearing black wedge as well. So yeah, the purple, it's the pop of color right here. Look at that. It's really nice. It's beautiful. And you can go ahead and detach it and carry it without this, like so. See how beautiful. The back, the side. This is very comfortable, honestly. It's very. You can also tie it at the front. If you don't want your belly to show, yeah, you can just, you know, pull it down a little bit. You can wear it this way too. Or if you are the type that you don't mind showing your belly, you can tuck this under your bra. So this way. This one goes under the other side. This is not for everybody. Okay, if you don't like wearing your stuff like this, it's okay. Nobody's going to condemn you. And if you like wearing it like this, nobody's going to condemn you. You have to do you. Remember about Niellas, she says be simple, be stylish, be you. Alright, so if you want to wear it this way too, it's up to you. I'm just giving option out there. It's not for everybody. Alright, so moving on to restyling it. And you see, this is how, look at that. We all will have something to go with this pant in our closets. You will surely have it. So this is how you get the value for your money. I paired it with this top and it all looks so good. So I'm going to restyle the pant first, then we'll restyle the top, and we'll wrap up this video. Like I mentioned, I'm not going to be telling you what brand is pairing this with that. This is all about the Niellas creation, so we're going to stick with that. Alright ladies, this is how this is looking. Alright, and this is the bag. final styling of the pants. We're going to style it for the winter, and this is, I'm going to just switch up my shoe and you're going to see the rest of the winter effect of it. So ladies, in order not to prolong this video, I decided to just show you, like, I pair it with a skirt that is flare, and I'm going to go ahead to pair it with another skirt that is pencil skirt, just for you to get an idea. You all know that it's just for you to switch it up. Whatever color that it's preferable for you, that's what you will use, or whatever you have in your closet that will match this style, that's what you will use. So I'm not going to use a lot of multiple skirts. The idea is just the style, flare with a top, and I'm going to do a pencil skirt and we'll wrap up this video. I hope you all enjoyed the way I restyled these two pieces, these two lounge sets by Niellas Creation. I will leave all the necessary information in the description box, and please check out Niellas Creation. Also, please follow on her social media. She's on Instagram, she's on TikTok, also she's also a YouTuber. Remember, she's a Nigerian just like you. If you are from Nigeria watching this video, please let's support each other. We rise by lifting each other's up. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed watching it once again. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.